Like, comment, and subscribe. Itzhamm!
Overstay, Brady! Ah! That motherfucker crazy, y'all! What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day, great afternoon, great evening, good morning, whatever time it is to watch this video. Today, you already know by the title of this video, the Fender Flares, we're going to try and take those off right now. And, yeah, we're going to see what we can do. There's definitely going to be dirt and stuff trapped in there. And definitely some BONDO on the driver's left side. So I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. But I do have a paint guy lined up. And I am going to have it painted, hopefully, if I take this off and it actually looks decent. I'm going to have it painted before truck week. So the truck still will be looking decent before truck week. And who knows, might get some of my plastics actually painted instead of dip this time. And yeah, ordering a lift kit here in August. Doing a lift kit, new shocks, obviously that comes with a lift kit. Wheel lights soon. What's something off the top of my head? Interior pieces. I know I've been talking about interior pieces for a little bit, but finally about to start ordering interior pieces and train horns. I cannot tell you how many times I have been in predicaments where I have needed train horns recently. So today's video is sponsored by Budweiser. It's Kenny's favorite drink. Obviously he drinks it in the morning for breakfast with his cereal. If you're seeing this, Budweiser, please sponsor this man. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about over here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's definitely a crack right there, some shit. I don't know what the hell happened, but obviously looking at it, this has been repainted compared to the backside where it's actually glossy. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna get the whole truck painted, but for sure I got somebody to paint this panel. And you peel it back a little bit, and there's the actual glue, and then that is the part where it's been bonded. So I don't even know if it's worth it, but we're gonna try it.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Itzhamm!
Yo, fuck you, Brady. You want to Chipotle without me?
Yeah, well, you're gonna put the shit on the rims too, right?
Wow.
Wow. Knock him over the head with a bite. You want a bite?
Yeah, let me get a tiny little nibble. I want a piece of steak right there. Delicioso.
Hey, which one of you lactating crap sisters fuck my sister?
Yo, just rip the flare off. Do it for YouTube. Just legit grab it and rip it. I'm just kidding, I'll do that. Stop, Hannah! You better not, silly goose.
So silly. So silly.
Dude, you're silly, dude. Hit the rip. Rip it, dude.
Oh shit, who you cussing at?
Okay, okay.
Sorry.
Y'all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Y'all. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Itzhamm. Right there on the window.
Alright, so
We got 1 million followers on YouTube.
right now we're messing with the cladding. We're not
should not
cladding,
be
it's
in the
freaking BONDO. So
Have a great day.
back here, that fell out. That literally just happened. So but all we're gonna have to do is literally just put pepper powder on here, and then we'll clean it up. Ow, shit. And it should be able to zoom right on off. So we're gonna do that. This is literally the worst one. All the other ones should be good. And yeah. All right, so we just gonna rip this bitch off, to be honest. Put some elbow grease in it.
Put some elbow grease in it.
Who
Put
are?
some spit into it.
Spit on it. And she'll come right off. Spit will make everything work, boys and girls.
Lubrication.
Oh shit. The fender just about cracked on me. That's alright though.
Here, I'll tell you how to do it.
Nope, buddy now. Come on now. Don't fuck with it.
Damn, that is one shitty looking fucking fender.
Alright. Damn!
God!
Damn! Son! Now we put it on your neighbor's car. Look at that, boy. Oh, son. Here's your truck. That looks about right.
Please don't do it.
Stop, bro.
Stepping on the forces.
Stop!
Stop fucking recording me, dude. I want to be in the fucking YouTube
BONDO!
video.
Why was this here? No one knows. Literally, not a freaking soul. Like, there's literally Bondo right here for no reason. Why was that there? What lazy crackhead?
Yeah, what lazy crackhead did this?
Yeah.
For real.
The hell?
Who the fuck did that paint job?
Freaking crackheads. Who is this queer nugget? Who is that? Yo, like and subscribe, man. Hey, do a burnout for the vlog. Burnout for the vlog.
You can't do a burnout.
Ah! Ah! LBZ gang. Okay, so we got the fender flares all done, and we got the dirt all cleaned up on them, but we still have the glue left over. So, definitely gonna take care of that. I mean, can anybody go get an eraser wheel, get that leftover glue off? But I personally did not like the look of the fender flares from the get-go, and this will actually stop it from rubbing, because as you can see, this was rubbing right here the whole time, and it's already started to eat this tire away. So about to do that, and on top of the good news that I got going on with the lift kit and everything like that, and the wheel lights, yada yada, I got somebody to powder coat these wheels. $400 to powder coat these wheels. They're gonna strip them, and leave a comment down below what color you want to see these wheels. I'm thinking red. Now hear me out, like a brush red, or do them back in silver, like the right way, the correct way, or black with a little bit of flake. Let me know down below, or gold, rose gold, who knows? Out of those options, let me know in the comments below. Don't be scared, use your freaking fingers, type down in the comments. I want to hear what you guys say. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you what the dirt looks like under here, how bad it is. Right now, this is the last one that we got going on, and the dirt is not near as bad as the other ones were, but we're still gonna have to get the eraser wheel, and I'm gonna have to polish it out with the cutting pad. So right now we're on the way to AutoZone, and we're gonna go get the eraser wheel and take care of all that ugliness on that stuff right there, and then she should be mint. And then right before I go home on 4th of July, I'll be fully paint correcting it like I have been promising for the past 2 months. I just haven't had enough time to do it yet. But I will be doing it as soon as I get back and we get ready to go on home for 4th of July. Let's see if he needs any help. Yeah, that's the floorboard, bud. Oh, hell yeah. The fluff is back. Yeah, brother, rattlesnake skin. I could see me rocking that right there. Zebra. Yo, for a black or this? Like, which one? I'm dead ass. It's the wrong store. It's all Kenny's fault. We might go get some Chinese later, who knows? But, stay tuned. Just one. Gracias. Luckily, they got the same one, so that's awesome. Or this one, hell no. We're gonna get with the white one.
Anything else for you guys?
That should be it. What did I tell you, folks? Kenny loves his Bud Weezer. I tell you what, boy, we gonna get doing that, boy. Woo! Woo! Okay, so first and foremost, before we even get started with this bullcrap here, we're gonna install the most badass steering wheel cover ever on the truck. It's gonna fit freaking nicely. And 1, 2, 3. Lovely job. Look at that, so pretty. It's just precious. Okay, first things first, you're gonna crack top. I'm gonna crack a cold one. Okay, that's lovely. And you're gonna give a toast to Kenny right there. Okay, second step, bit in right here. And you're gonna put it into a regular drill, not an impact drill. And you're just gonna tighten it on up. Third step is we're gonna start on this one, I guess. Alright, a little body damage. Never hurt nobody. And we're gonna degrease this. And as soon as you got degreaser on there, you're gonna wipe away. Alright, once you get the attachment to the drill, the 3M racing wheel, you're just gonna take it right here, hold it horizontal on it, and see how this won't come off. I mean, you can get little pieces off, but it's not coming off. So go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and you're all good. So you're gonna repeat this process on all these glue pieces, and hopefully it's not too dark by the time I get done, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I know it's getting late, but it's probably gonna be the last view of the truck right now, and then I'll edit the video. But not too bad. I gotta sand all this down, and then when you color correct it, or when you paint correct it, it's gonna look a lot better. But I'll show you an example right here on this driver fender. This is the worst one. This one had BONDO on it and everything, like I said. And yeah, so I'll show you how I do it right here. This is, I believe it's 800 or 1200, I forget. But see how it has this line right here. I already purple powered it, won't come off. So you're just gonna lightly sand it, and it comes right out. And as soon as you get to polishing and buffing, it'll blend that in. And all these, I have something called White Light as well from Chemical Guys. I mean, Chemical Guys, like I said, I think the best company. But I have something called White Light, and it'll fill in all these scratches once you VSS it and actually like cut the paint down. So it's gonna be pretty damn good once you get finished. And I'll show you a difference right here. I'm actually getting 2-inch spacers soon, and like I said, the lift kit, so it's gonna look a lot better. So that does it for this video. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below, whatever you want to see next. Shout out to Kenny for helping me. Shout out to Budweiser for supporting us. We gotta tell him. We gotta tell him.
This truck's a piece of shit.
Truck's a piece of shit. Don't you forget it.
One is repping, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I been the coast's greatest blessing. Better recognize a king when he repping with you. You hoes suck.